be an exciting journey. I realize that it's not for everybody, but it's for somebody, and it's for us. And I hope that, you know, our lifestyle inspires somebody to take risks and take a chance, especially if it's in the will of God. Good morning, y'all. Today is February 24th, 25th. Oh my God, I cannot keep up with these days. It's a beautiful, cold Sunday in New York today. I am on my way to do some last minute laundry before we go. Our apartment needs to look bare. We're throwing out a lot of garbage today, so today's the day. Today is the last day. Get me up out of here. I also am giving my 3 weeks notice to my boss today. So that should be interesting. Shouldn't come as too much of a surprise, probably to my coworkers. Yeah, especially because I really didn't say anything to anybody. But that's just how I am. I'm a private person. I don't like to make a big deal out of things. I also have like little things to do. Like tomorrow we turn in the car. My car is a 2011 Honda Civic, and she has 130,655 miles on her. And she has been holding us down for like 5 years, and I am so thankful. I'm so thankful. And despite her age and miles, we were able to get like a really good deal. I'm pretty sure it's because I'm bringing the car back in good condition to the same dealer that sold the car to me. So yeah, I'm going to stop running my mouth, and I'm gonna go to the laundry and do my thing, and I'll talk to you guys later. That's done. Oh my gosh. I'm so thankful that I had a very good boss, like very understanding, very kind. He just called me. He's like, wait a minute. What? You mean you're not coming back? Like, yeah, we're moving overseas. It's not just like we're moving out of state. We are moving across the country. I do want to visit them if I come to New York, just to pop in, because that would be just nice to see some of my people, you know. He's like, oh my gosh, Irene, we didn't throw a going away party for you. I was like, yeah, I know. That's okay though. I didn't want that. As nice as that is, my coworkers are very nice. They celebrate everybody's birthday every year. We have luncheons all the time, and like that's always been nice. So they definitely would have did like a party or whatever, but it's okay. I didn't want that. And that probably makes me like a weird person, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so I just came out of Ulta, and I also bought some gel from Shea Moisture. I don't know how this works. I don't know if it mixes well with other products. So it's going to be an experiment. And I also purchased some shampoo. I've never tried this one, but I've heard great things. I know now it's not really the time to be experimenting with new products when I'm going away and living overseas, but hey, it's better than nothing. I just hope that these products don't weigh my suitcase down too much.